I'm Brian Lau with the Ladd Group at Cascade Sotheby's, and I'm downtown here on this beautiful and crisp fall day in Bend, Oregon. I want to take a few moments to talk about this unprecedented year we've had in real estate with a couple takeaways for both buyers and sellers. But before I talk about real estate, I think it's important to talk about COVID. It's been a heartbreaking year for a lot of people, both on the health front and economically. And for anyone out there that is still struggling or facing hurdles because of this pandemic, please reach out to us and we'll definitely dedicate as many resources as we can to get our fellow Bend citizens through this crisis. So real estate was also affected by COVID. In the months leading up to it in January and February, even the first part of March, real estate was off to another strong start, and it tracked much of the metrics that we saw throughout 2019. Appreciation, slight decrease in inventory, we were kind of selling through the homes that we had, and a regular pace of sales. Then COVID hit. In March and April, sales went down by about 50%, prices came down a little bit, and there were a lot of people really struggling to understand where we were going in real estate. But what was so surprising is that housing has been the shining star that has helped lead the nation and Bend out of this pandemic-driven recession, and has really been the shining star of the economy. So now that we sit here at the end of 2020 and I look back, there's three numbers that really tell the story in real estate. One, average purchase price is up by 17%. This is about twice the historical average. Two, sales are up 89%. This is a metric that we've never seen before. And three, we've had a drop in inventory by 60%, which simply means we do not have enough homes for sale. Our average inventory right now is just about 2 months of inventory, but the real telling story is for the homes that are actually selling, the average days on market are 5 days for a home to sell. This is something we've never dealt with before here in Bend, Oregon. What's more is that I see a robust real estate front for years to come. There were some talk of foreclosures, but we addressed that in one of our recent webinars, where the forbearances really are a nuanced product that came out through that CARES Act, and we really don't see any pent-up distressed properties coming to the market. And nationwide, real estate experts are predicting another strong year of real estate sales ahead of us. I would like to give some tangible advice for both buyers and sellers in this market. For sellers, I have two specific pieces of advice. One, it's an incredible time to sell. Inventory has never been lower, and there's never been a time where there'll be this many people focused specifically on your house in the market. And two, and it plays into this, don't be greedy. What we're also seeing is despite these increases in sales and sales price, there are also homes that are going on the market that are failing to sell. They're overpriced, the market is rejecting them, and they're kind of becoming that brown banana on the shelf nobody wants, despite the fact that there's not many to choose from. Buyers, one, be prepared. This market demands attention and it demands knowledge. You need to know what your budget is. You need to have a strong understanding of what you feel the market is worth so you can react appropriately. And you have to be ready to go the moment's notice that home comes on the market. And two, mortgage rates are now below 3% for a 30-year loan. We've never seen interest rates like this. And this is helping buyers because it's actually offsetting some of these price gains, but this is a window that will shut. And over the years to come, when interest rates eventually go back to more normal levels, when they go from 3% to 4 to 5 or even 6, that can double your monthly payment. This is a window of time where you can actually help offset these gains and secure a home in Bend with this incredible interest rate environment, and it's not going to last. We at the Ladd Group are very into the details, nuances, and data of this economy, and we often put out webinars. We put out about one a month, and we've got them all hosted on our website, and we invite you to learn a little bit more there. We're always here as well, and I cannot thank you enough for being a client of the Ladd Group, and I look forward to an amazing year ahead in 2021.